My biggest pet peeve with apple crisp is when the filling is watery and runny, but I think this secret ingredient can solve that problem. Will it work? You'll see. Start with 10 cups of sliced apples. Add 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Mix that together with your hands. Now here comes the curveball. Mix a half a cup of ketchup with a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Drizzle that over your apple mixture and toss everything again with your hands to combine. Now let's make the crumbs. In a bowl, put 1½ cups of flour, a half a cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of brown sugar, then add 2 sticks or 16 tablespoons of cold butter cut into pieces. Work that with your fingers until it's all combined. Then add 1 cup of old-fashioned oats and mix again until you have a really nice crumbly mixture. Sprinkle the crumbs all over your apple filling and bake in a 350-degree oven for about 1 hour until it is bubbly and golden. It looks amazing, it smells delicious, but let's see how it tastes. What do you think?
It's yummy.
I love to serve this warm with vanilla ice cream. Let's see what everyone thinks. Okay, everyone just finished dinner and I'm about to serve them some of the crisp. How is it?
Awesome.
It's yummy. It's tasty.
Can you taste the ketchup, Dad?
There's ketchup in there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Everyone loved this. I didn't add ketchup to this recipe to be gross or clickbaity. My biggest pet peeve with apple crisp is if the filling is really runny. Adding the ketchup and the lemon juice with the fruit mixture gets rid of that wateriness and just makes a deeper caramelized apple filling that I honestly think is absolutely delicious.